Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope you're having a good day out there. I hope the markets are treating you fairly. Let's take a look at 4 key levels that I've got marked off on my charts on crude oil that I'm going to watch as I trade, and I'll tell you why. Starting off with our top line at 74 flat, we have a lot of resistance that's been found around this location historically, but most recently we fell below it and held it as resistance, which allowed the bears to keep pushing lower. Now we also have 72 marked off. This is an area that's a beautiful psychological location that has been a very pivotal point for both the buyers and the sellers many times recently. We are currently trading around that. I'm waiting to see if we are going to continue breaking this as support and actually trade below it. And if we do, my eyes drop down to 69.50. It's a lower area of support that made the initial break of the 72 on our break above not too long in the past possible. And down below it even further, we have 68 flat, a lower area of support that is worth watching if we fall below the 69.50. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.